Alright, I sent this work through the teacher and I asked him to give it to you so that you can watch the video and we do not miss any lesson in between. Hope you enjoy and have a point of learning from this video. Hope it finds you well as in your health. Alright, so we're going to continue with where I stopped, of course trigonometry, and I'm going to do a number in exercise 16a, and that's number 8, and I'll do part L, and then like I told you last time, we should have done the other numbers. This is what I have sampled for today. That's the number tan theta is equals to 4 cot theta plus 3. In our solution, we are going to get we're going to express cot in terms of tan, where we obtain that 4 over tan theta. Then when you cross multiply, you obtain tan squared theta is equal to 4 plus 3 tan theta. Now at that point, we let our trig function tan theta be equal to x, substitute x into that equation, and we have a quadratic equation in terms of x. The roots are going to be 4, negative 4 and 1, and when you place them in that quadratic equation, it solves down to x minus 4 into x plus 1, which is equal to 0. And therefore we state the law of 0, which says that either x is equals to 4 or x is equals to negative 1. And then we later substitute in the value for x, which was the trig function tan theta. So either tan theta is equal to 4 or tan theta is equal to negative 1. We proceed by obtaining what we call the principal value for arctan, for theta is equal to arctan 4, and also for arctan negative 1, where we obtain the first principal value as 75.96 and the second principal value as negative 45. Now we substitute that into our formula that we said for tan, it's equal to 180n plus theta. When we substitute in our first principal value, which is 75.96, when n is equal to 0, we obtain theta as 75.96. Now when n is equal to 1, you obtain theta, which is outside range. Now remember, our range was negative 180 to 180. That means we have to also apply for n is equals to negative 1, because the range extends up to the negative. And when you apply n is equals to negative 1 in that equation, you obtain negative 104.4 degrees. And those are the only two angles for the principal value, 75.96. So we proceed on to for n is equal to, for theta is equals to negative 45. When you substitute n is equal to 0, theta will be equals to negative 45. N is equal to 1, theta will be equal to 135. And when n is equals to negative 1, remember, because of the negative range, we emphasize that we also have to obtain for negative 1, which is outside range. For n is equals to 2, theta is outside range, and we also emphasize for n is equals to negative 2, which is also outside range. And therefore you obtain that our angles that fall inside that range that satisfy the equation that was given unto us earlier on, which was tan theta is equals to 4 cot theta plus 3. We have those four angles, negative 104.4 degrees. We also have negative 45 degrees. We also have 75.96 degrees, and finally 135 degrees. And that's our answer. So please copy that. It's going to be on for about a minute. Copy it, put it in your book. I'll send more videos to carry on from that particular point until we meet again. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel, my YouTube channel, for more videos and more learning.